So I have created a new WhatsApp catalog category inside WhatsApp business account. So what exactly is WhatsApp catalog all about? The end customer who wants to chat with you on WhatsApp can now select the products and can buy it or inquire about it. And you can also connect your catalog to your AI agent using n8n. How does this work? Let me give you a quick demo. So in this one, if you see, I have a catalog which is attached to this business, and this catalog, it says Genie helps in pre-qualifying and answering all the frequently asked questions. Now I'm wondering, okay, now what does Genie do? So I go back and I ask, what's Genie? So it comes up with a quick response. Hey, quick question, so I can explain you how Genie works best for you. What type of business do you run? Okay, let's say I ran a real estate business and was wondering. So with this one, you can see now I have sent out the message as real estate business. Now, if you see, great, for real estate, Genie is designed specifically to make the life easier. Here's how it can help. 24/7 schedule viewings. You can customize it as per your own needs. So for example, if I just say not real estate, let's say I'm in dentist clinic and was wondering if it's right fit. Perfect. So what this has done is no problem at all. For a dental clinic, Genie is actually a fantastic fit, and it also adds the emoji inside to make it more fun. So for example, if you see 24/7 receptionist, appointment booking, insurance questions, emergency call handling, and things like that. And then you might be wondering, okay, I'm still not interested. Let's say I will check with my partner, and then it is trained. It's a sales agent trained on the back end. So what it does is it understands that it's an objection that you want to handle. The sales agent is connected on the back end side. So what it does is absolutely that makes sense. It's a good idea to make sure you're both on the same page. When do you think is the right time to get in touch with you? You see how powerful this is? It's my own AI agent, and this works fantastically to end customers. So now let's get into how I build it. So first thing, if you haven't watched my first WhatsApp video, linked right over here, and based on that specific video, we'll do our version 2. In this, I have created an agent. So whenever a WhatsApp trigger is initiated, let me also show you the execution. So as per our last conversation with WhatsApp, this is a very small detail which I wanted to actually put forward. For every WhatsApp message you are sending out, there are 2 extra logs that goes into the n8n. So you don't have to worry about it. Just add a filter in front of it. I'll show you how it works. So in this editor, what I have done is in the WhatsApp trigger, I have connected accounts. In the filter, I'm saying if the message text body exists, then you proceed forward. Now we want to fetch all the products that are there in the catalog for your specific business. So if your business has 5 products or 6 products, you will still get that products inside this one. There is no specific official node for WhatsApp to fetch all the products. So that's why we are doing HTTP request. If I open it, there is a graph API that we have to use. But before that, what we have to do is we have to first set up the catalog. If you have never set up a catalog, all you have to do is log into business.facebook.com, click on this hamburger icon. After you click on this hamburger icon, you will see something like this. Go to Commerce Manager. Once you have clicked on the Commerce Manager, then you have to first create commerce account. This commerce account is nothing but a bucket where you can put all the different types of products. So for example, if you're selling 3 different kinds of products, one is winter essentials, second one is seasonal essentials, and the third one is for everyday use. Now, I have created 2 different products because I was testing it. You can just create based on whatever your needs are. Make sure that you note down the catalog ID somewhere, because this will be very useful when we are creating HTTP request. The catalog ID for this one is starting with 131297. If I click on it, then you will see an empty page on your side because there is nothing that has been added, or you have to add all the basic information, connect to tracking, set permissions and things like that. Once you have done that, click on the products inside the catalog, and then you can add the products from over here. You can just add manually. If you want a data feed based on the URL of your Google Sheet, then you can do it from here. But if you want to add manually, I have done manually just for the showcase of this particular video. I have added the photo as well, title, description, website link, price. So if you go back and see, I have created this product called Genie. What does Genie do? Genie helps in pre-qualifying and answering all the frequently asked questions to customers on behalf of your business. So I've just put a demo price, $10. I have provided my own website, elevatebusiness.ca, and I have put a description. Now the product has been created. What is the next step? Next step is to make sure that whenever we are doing an HTTP request from your NAT account, a specific permission is being granted for that access token. So what happens is, in order to access the specific catalog of your account, we have to go to this specific URL. You can take a screenshot of it, or you can just Google Graph API Explorer for fetching the products. Graph API. If you Google it, you will find a first page, which is this one. So this page tells you exactly how to configure everything that you have. So if you don't want to get into all this information, just copy paste this thing, and this one will be your catalog ID. Remember I told you to grab your catalog ID. Now get this catalog ID and open developer.facebook.com/tools/explorer. You have to first log into your developer.facebook.com account and then open this URL. If you open this URL, you will see something like this. And then you will see only two accounts, WhatsApp Business Management and WhatsApp Business Messaging. You have to also create additional two permissions, that is catalog management and business management. So how to add that? This is how you add it. So if you click on add permission, and you have to just type catalog. Since I have already added it, it won't be visible for you. But if you haven't added, then it will be showing up right now. Once you add it, it will be configured like this. Once this is done, we have to generate access token. Please note, this generate access token is only temporary. Okay. So once you have set up all the permissions, you have to click on generate access token, click on authentication, generic credential type, click on header auth. Now create a new credential. Since I have already created new credentials, I have to just paste authorization, and after I have paste authorization, I will do bearer and then paste my access. Once I paste it and save it, it will be saved. This access token is also needed to respond in the text. So you have to also make sure you create an access token over here and then save it. It should say connection tested successfully. Going back to this specific HTTP request, now what you have to do is you have to also send some query parameters. So you have to switch it on, and then you have to click on using fields below. The name should be fields and whatever values you want to fetch from that specific product. If you see my product, I want to fetch name, description, price, as well as availability. Your values are all lowercase. Once you have done this, then you have to click on send headers and also click on authorization. Yes, we have to send out the headers. Once you have done this, you have to make sure that it's pasted here. Click on save. Once you have done that, I have created a snippet of code which validates if a product is being mentioned inside the message. So I have created two different flows. One is the regular flow, which goes from left and at the bottom over here. But if someone is asking for a specific product inside a chat, for example, something like this. So because I was asking for a product Genie, that's why this specific sales associate activated. Let me show you in the execution. Okay. So if you see in my message, I'm asking what's Genie. And once I ask about Genie and what it does, it goes into the flow. It checks if the word Genie is mentioned. If it is mentioned, it comes as true. Once it is true, what it does, it will go to the true location, and then it will initiate a sales agent. What the sales agent is doing is this. So if you see, the product mentioned by the customer is this. We have the product which is in the catalog, and then this is the description of the catalog. And you are a product specialist for an advanced voice assistant. If you need the detailed prompt, please comment on my video down there. I have attached an OpenAI chat model with this one, and also a simple memory. And I have also attached the same WhatsApp respond with text node, which was earlier attached in video 1. If you haven't still watched my first video on WhatsApp, you can check it over here. And this is the respond with text node, which I just copy pasted over here. This is the complete flow, and this is how you can automate your AI agent to talk to the customers based on the WhatsApp product they are mentioning. we have already achieved a very good understanding as to what it's doing. This is really cool. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It will help me create more videos like this. Thank you.